standard production of the fully electric BMW iX began today in Dingolfing. The plant in Lower Bavaria now produces vehicles with all drivetrain variants, combustion engine vehicles, plug-in hybrids and fully electric models on a single line. Milan Nedeljković, member of the board of management of BMW AG, responsible for production. The launch of the BMW 9 marks another milestone in our expansion of electrification and demonstrates our production network's successful transformation towards electromobility and digitalisation. The BMW iX is being manufactured at the BMW Group's largest European production plant on an assembly line with the flexibility to build a mix of BMW 5 Series, 7 Series and 8 Series models. To handle this flexibility and variety of drivetrains, vehicle assembly in Dingolfing has been expanded and refurbished. The BMW Group has invested a total of more than €400 million in producing the BMW 9 at the Dingolfing vehicle plant. Many of the remodeling and structural measures required for the BMW iX are already benefiting future generations of the BMW 7 Series and 5 Series that will come off the production line in Dingolfing in the coming years. Fully electric variants have also been announced for both model ranges.
Subscribe to Auto TV.